In this brief video, we're going to explore how to use log linear plots to uncover exponential behavior. So suppose we have a situation where we have the mass of an object that depends exponentially on time, like this, and we have some data associated with that, and the data suggests indeed that it looks exponential. The mass looks exponential with time. But how could we be sure that it's exponential with time? We could try and do an exponential fit, but it'd be nice to know that it really is an exponential behavior. Well, there's a trick we can do, and so what we're going to do is we're going to take the natural log of both sides of our expression. So on the left-hand side we have natural log of m of t. On the right-hand side we can simplify, and simplify a little bit further. That last term can be written as just minus lambda t. So if I rewrite this expression, it says that the natural log of m of t is equal to some constant times t plus another constant. And that's really nice, because what that means is now we have a linear relationship between natural log of m of t and t itself. So it looks like we have a slope and we have an intercept then, if we plot natural log versus t instead of m of t versus t. And so what does this look like on a graph? So if we look at this on the graph, then we plot natural log of the mass versus the time. We see indeed it looks like a straight line. And from that straight line we could extract the slope, which would give us the exponent in our original expression. And we could extract the intercept of this line, which would tell us our initial mass in our original expression. And so indeed we can do a best fit line, and then we can extract those the slope and the intercept from that best fit line, and it tells us about the power up in the exponent as well as the initial mass. How would we do this in Excel? Well, in Excel what we would do is we have our time and our mass data, and so we just create a new column, and we'll call that natural log of mass, and then we'll use the built-in function in Excel, which is natural log. We'll take natural log of the mass and populate that down the column. And then now I will create a new graph, a new chart, where now I have natural log of mass versus time.